Hi everyone, my name's May and welcome to my apartment. So I live in LA, which means that I kind of always have people trying to come visit, and normally I would just have them sleep on the couch, give them a blanket or two and call it a day. But my sister's coming into town today and I really want to make it a special visit because I feel like we're a little more grown up and I just want to elevate the experience and make it a little more comfy. So today I'm going to take this couch crash and elevate it into something super comfy. First things first, we're gonna clear some space. This is a good time to move any furniture that might be getting in the way so that your guests can have room for themselves and their luggage. I do have a really comfortable couch and I think most people would be fine sleeping on there, but I'm gonna go the extra mile for my sister and I actually got a futon. So whether they're sleeping on the couch or the futon, you're always gonna need these essentials like a clean pillow, new sheets, a cozy blanket, and even a little accent pillow if you're feeling crazy. All right, so now that we have the futon set up, it's looking a little more bedroomy, but I wanna make it even more comfortable, so I'm actually gonna put a little nightstand here too, because something about a nightstand just gives bedroom, not living room, you know? So adding to this, we have a lamp, and then we're gonna plug in this power strip so that she can charge her phone, have the little mood lighting, and not have to use the big light at night, because that is wrong. And to finish off the nightstand, I have a cute eye mask, some earplugs, and a nice little frame that has all the Wi-Fi information. Earplugs may feel extreme, but we actually need them here because I have a very noisy upstairs neighbor. And you cannot forget fresh towels. And I even went a little above and beyond and got a loofah too because I don't want to be clean in other places' apartment, but you know you're not sharing a loofah. I also got a couple hangers in case she has anything fancy or anything that might get wrinkled. This is a cute little breakfast corner that I'm setting up for Kai. So we have all the essentials. We've got coffee, tea if you're not a coffee drinker, some snacks, fresh fruit, and I like to bake, so I did make Tasty's lemon blueberry yogurt muffins. Store-bought things would be fine too though. Kai's an early bird and I definitely am not, so she likes to have her morning coffee and breakfast hours before I'm even awake, so wanted to have some stuff set up for her so she wouldn't feel like she had to wait for me. Having some snacks and drinks set up for your guests is really nice because then they don't have to rummage through your cabinets because that's a little awkward sometimes and you don't know what you can and can't eat. My sister's almost here, so we added the final touches. We have some fresh flowers and even a little candle for the ambiance. So let's just light her up. There she goes. She's here. Oh my gosh, time for the reveal. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Hello! Hi, welcome to LA.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. Did you notice anything different?
Is this for me?
Yeah, I set it up all for you so you'd feel a little more at home, you know?
It's so cute. And it's so much better than last time when I was sleeping where people were putting their butts.
The little details.
And it's comfy.
I know, shockingly comfy, right? That futon's so nice.
And the Wi-Fi password?
Yeah, all out
Oh my
for you.
gosh.
Should have everything that you need. And we also have fresh towels. I don't know what clothes you brought, but got some hangers in case you needed to lay anything out. Even got a little breakfast nook in case, you know, I sleep in a lot. Sometimes you wake up earlier than me, and so I thought that would be kind of nice.
Oh my gosh. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We have some catching up to do, but if you have any other tips and tricks on how to elevate the couch crash for the next time she visits, let us know. But for now, bye! So let's just light her up. Okay, so let's just light it up. Okay, no. So let's just light it up. No. Oh my God.